2:14 a.m. A $340 quote request just landed. Nobody's awake, and with QuotWay automation, nobody needs to be. By the time you're up, it's answered. Open automation and start from a ready-made template. Auto-send small orders, decline deep discounts, route big quotes, nudge silent buyers, or build your own rule in minutes. Every rule is when, if, then. Pick the trigger, then add conditions, quote amount, discount percent, product and customer tags, currency, even B2B company location. Then pick the action. Send the proposal automatically at the buyer's requested price, with a safety cap, so anything big waits for a human. Tiny orders at your catalog price? Auto Accept closes them instantly. The draft order is on its way before you even open the app. Asking for more than 40% off? They get a polite, automatic no, in your words. And big quotes land already assigned to the right person from the moment they arrive. When a buyer goes quiet, QuotWay follows up after 3 days, once per quote, never spammy. You stay in control. Every run is logged with its outcome. Approval policies always win. New rules start disabled. And one switch pauses everything. Routine quotes answer themselves. Your team handles the deals that actually need them. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Automation comes with the professional plan. Start free.